So a common question we get asked is around how we use the cargo bikes. Now, if someone asks you to go dig a hole and gives you a screwdriver, it's not going to do a very good job. But if someone gives you a spade, it's going to be pretty effective. You can apply the same thing to cargo bikes. Cargo bikes are very good at doing a specific job. Hi, my name's Adam Barnes. I'm the Head of Structures for FM Conway. FM Conway is a leading family-run infrastructure services company, delivering vital services in transportation, built environment and open spaces to the community. So there's around 2,000 people working for us as a company now. That's built from the office-based staff as well as people on site delivering the services on the ground. Cargo bikes were an idea that came to us after having to solve a problem. Construction is normally based around solving problems day to day. On site, each person has to deal with different challenges every day. By nature, we deal with planned activities, but sometimes things need to change quickly and rapidly. So cargo bikes came to us as an idea, and we thought, how can we implement this within our business? As planned as we can be as a company and on site, things change. Something in terms of environment, condition will change. We need to react to that because time on site equals delays, cost our customers money. So the quicker we can react to get materials, to get plant, accessories to site, the more efficient we can be and the better service we can provide. So the Illuminated River project is an art installation over 9 bridges across the River Thames, stretching from London to Lambeth Bridge. Each bridge has thousands of components on every single bridge, consisting of nuts, bolts, washers, connections, couplers, and lots of cabling. We had a unique challenge in front of us with the Illuminated River project. Ultimately, they are bridges. They don't have a postcode. They don't sit in any borough. They normally sit between. So actually stopping, pulling up on bridges is very difficult. We had a just-in-time delivery strategy for the project. There was limited space on site, so being able to move them from our touch points up to site quickly made this an absolutely fantastic opportunity to use the bikes. Typically, the bikes are averaging about 15.5 miles an hour. London vans, based on TfL statistics, are about 9.8 miles an hour. A 6-mile trip in a van is about 36 minutes. For a bike, it's 24. We're making multiple trips a day, 12 minutes per trip. It's very easy to see why they make sense. So another great advantage of using the cargo bikes is reduced costs and overhead. There is obviously no congestion charge, no parking, no ultra low emission zones, no road tax, which is a huge benefit to the company overhead. We've also got the cost of fuel. Fuel being an ever increasing commodity now, these bikes run off of electricity, which as we know is much more effective. Utilising e-cargo bikes has made our carbon footprint even smaller. We've been doing around 7,000 miles since we've had these bikes in 18 months. That means we've saved around 6.2 tonnes of CO2e versus a traditional small van